So I got this little set from Amazon. It's called Trust Wellness, and I have issues with I don't know. I don't think it's PCOS. I don't know. But I do get a lot of chin hairs. Not like facial, but I do get a lot of chin hairs, and I'll get hair here sometimes. So I ended up buying this kit. I did my research on the kit, and with doing my research on the kit, I learned that this may be the best thing for me as far as waxing yourself like a beginner waxer. Like, I go get Brazilian waxes, but as far as like my face, I would rather learn to do that myself. So this is the first time me doing this. I already did a few strips. I don't know if you can see like the little hairs. It's actually kind of fun to look at. To me. So it actually does not hurt. I thought it was going to hurt. It is hard wax. It comes, where's my stuff? It comes in like the little baggies, like, ooh. Sorry, y'all, I'm trying to prop my phone up and trying not to use my tripod. So it comes in little baggies like this. I think I have the peppermint one in here. I have like 6 or 7 of these. It also comes with this little top. They suggest that when you warm it up to put the top on it. Start it at the highest max. And once it starts to melt and be the consistency of honey, turn it down to 160. I actually turned it up a little bit more because I felt like it was sticking it up too much. I need to take this off because I had this on so for a little bit too long. All right, so this is my 3rd strip, and I just used this little thing to melt the beads some more. I want to turn my phone, but I have it propped up on my vanity set. So it really doesn't hurt. For it to be like my first time, it doesn't hurt. And it may be because I am so used to plucking my chin hairs rather than just waxing them. Whoa, that got a lot off. You guys see that? That's what I deal with. It leaves a little bit. Oh, so this is the pre-wax spray, and this is the after wax spray. So I use this first for the pre-wax, for when I started to wax. And I don't know the smell, but it really does smell good. It doesn't have like a ton of ingredients in it, which is good. This doesn't leave a lot of residue. And for my first time, I really don't know how much residue it should leave. Again, this is hard wax. When I go to get my Brazilian waxes, they use sugar wax, which I feel like is safer for down there. Hold on. Okay. So it's pretty baby smooth down there. And like the other little hairs, I'll just pluck. Like I have like hair here and like 2 or 3 hairs at the bottom. But my chin and here is where I get it the most. I have shaved this with like a razor, so I'm not going to touch this yet. But I actually enjoy doing this. I'm going to go over my chin one more time. My whole chin. But I actually enjoy doing this. So if anyone has any issues with hair on their face like me, and you are a beginner and you want to start waxing, I would really suggest this. I love this thing. I like it a lot. Let me turn this down a little bit. I would suggest, so this is the consistency you want. You want like a honey consistency. Anything thinner than that is too hot, and you have to be careful. You don't want to burn yourself. So I remember I tried like a little sugar wax thing that you could put in the microwave, and it was too hot, and I burned the mess out of my chin. Here's the timing doc on it. I don't know if I showed this, but the green light tells you when it's ready. When you first cut it on, the light is red, I believe, but the green light will tell you when it is ready. So boom. I love this little thing. I thoroughly enjoyed this. I feel like the more I wax my chin, the more, the less hair I'll have